keywords, and your students should know and be aware of the fact that how this keywords can shape this topic. Understanding the keywords and the whole the topic, they're gonna decide what kind of parts they're gonna take. For example, our essay is agree and disagree, so they should first of all write the headings. So will they agree with the statement, or will not they agree with the statement, or they can even partially agree with this main statement. So it should be clear in the introduction part. I have some tests for you. So after this, I'm going to give you some essay topics, and by looking at these essay topics, you should write down the keywords, qualifying words, and the